Ever feel like your creative flow gets bogged down by a clunky interface? Let's dive into personalizing Adobe Dreamweaver to build your individual perfect digital workspace. First, head up to the top menu bar and click on the Edit menu. From the Edit menu, select Preferences. Is your gateway to a world of customization. Click it. A new window titled Preferences will open here. You'll find a range of tabs to explore. Start in the General section. Here, you can tweak your interface. Most notably, change the interface setting to customize the appearance of your Dreamweaver. Choose between light and dark themes to find what feels best for your eyes and workflow. Next, check out the code coloring preferences. Here you will be able to customize the colors of the code to reflect your preference. You can choose custom colors for your HTML tags, attributes, and other code elements, making it easier to visually parse your code quickly. Move to Code Hints to fine-tune your coding experience. You can alter the way code snippets appear and behave as you type, speeding up your coding speed. By playing with these settings, you can make Dreamweaver feel truly yours. The adjustments will improve your coding experience. Customize those settings and watch those improvements show. Experiment with different combinations to find a setup that you love and maximize your productivity. Like this video and subscribe for more Dreamweaver tips.